Welcome everyone. I have an app here and you can see it's stuck on a spinning wheel and I can't download it. The fix is easy. What I want you to do is I want you to locate both the power button and the volume down button and just press and hold these two down until you see the slide to power off and then release. We're going to slide the power off our iPhone. We will then wait 25 to 30 seconds, then we'll press and hold the power button until we see the Apple logo, we release, and then the phone will turn on. After the restart, if we go back into the App Store here, let's try and get on the Wi-Fi, there we go. So the application you saw was not downloading, and then now, I'm going to search for the same app. I'm going to go here, and let's have a look. The app should start downloading, boom, there we go. If this still doesn't work, you will need to open up the settings and then you will need to find general and then reset or transfer or reset. And under the reset, you will need to reset your network settings, and that will require you to re-enter your Wi-Fi, re-enter in your Bluetooth devices. But once that is done, it should solve the problem. And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.